Kia ora, welcome back. I'm TheKiwiCoder, and today I'd like to announce the launch of my Patreon page. So I started this channel back in March during lockdown, and 27 videos later, here we are. So first of all, I'd like to just say a big thank you to everyone commenting on the YouTube videos and also in Discord. You've given me tons of great advice and helped point out bugs and stuff like that. Just really want to say thank you very much for all of that. You've kept my motivation levels very high to create these videos, so yeah, it's really much appreciated, so thank you. So if you do want to support this channel going forward, then what I'm offering are 3 different tiers in return, which I'll just go into now. In the supporter tier, this is really just like an entry level tier, and I'm going to have to really see how this evolves over time a little bit, but the perks that you'll get is access to a private Discord channel and also Patreon only posts, which I plan to use for polls and stuff like that. The second tier up is the Unity tier. So this one you'll get access, I'll send you an invite to a private GitHub repository, which will have all the the Unity projects, including the source code, assets, bug fixes that I do in between videos, and some exclusive features, which are really just things that are kind of in the project that I haven't had time to make a YouTube video for. So this project will evolve over time, and every new video that comes out, the project will be updated with the latest assets and everything, so you'll have access to all of that immediately. And if I just quickly jump in and show you the Unity project that you'll get access to. So this is the basic kind of sandbox level that will evolve going forward. There are a few different kind of areas. This is like a maze area, which I'm planning to do some AI kind of navigation stuff in. This one is like a weapon test area. So this is really just testing out weapons and stuff like that. There are 3 different weapons: an assault rifle, a pistol, and this BFG gun, which I'll show you in a minute. There is a jump test area, so this is really just where I kind of test out the character's ability to control itself in the air, that kind of thing. And the final area is this just like pyramid thing, which I thought kind of just looked cool, and it has stairs as well, so you can test out your character controller on stairs and how it behaves. There is this final section here, which is really just these building blocks that I've used to build out this level, just by cutting and pasting these around the place. So everything is axis aligned, everything's already aligned to the grid, so it's quite easy to just extend that as you need to. And the final thing, which you also get, is this TheKiwiCoder menu. It's called Create Character. So in here, you get access to this new window, which you can just dock anywhere, the same as any other window in Unity. And what you can do is basically assign an FBX file. So for example, this is a Mixamo FBX model that I've just downloaded and extracted straight from Mixamo, and I can now assign this model to the character model here. And if I press create character, it'll create a new character in the level using the model that was assigned here. So I don't actually distribute the Mixamo model because I'm not sure if I can, so I just avoided it altogether. But yeah, if I hit play now, this model has already been set up with like animation rigging and all of the kind of weapon stuff that I've used in my videos. So all the recoil, reload, and weapon switching as well. All of that stuff is basically just set up for whatever character that you use in this field. Because I can't actually, I don't choose to distribute the Mixamo models. I'm not sure if I can, to be honest. If someone knows, please let me know in the comments. But the model that I have created, which I can distribute, is just this really basic template character that I'm going to use for the tutorial videos going forward. So again, I can just assign that same model to this field here, and now I've got a character with this model. So if I hit play, everything is set up exactly the same, but yeah, now for this new character, all the animation rigging and everything like that is set up as well. So yeah, the other things to notice is the graphics. So I've tuned all the graphics in this project. It's a URP project, so all the settings and stuff are tuned to high. The character shadows are like really crisp. All the shadows kind of around the close objects are quite crisp, and sort of post effects with a little bit of bloom and stuff have been added into the level as well. So yeah, you have the assault rifle, which you've probably seen a million times. This pistol here, and the final gun is basically called the BFG. And let me just get up to like a cool vantage point. So this is really just like a kind of like a goo gun with like particles and stuff that like can spill over terrain. So it's quite fun to play with. It's just like something a little bit different from the other weapons, which yeah, I just sort of had fun making. So yeah, now I'm in the sort of jump area, so you can just test out like how your character sort of behaves when it jumps across different terrain, and you can just look out like over the level from up here. Yeah, that's basically it. I think there's nothing really more to cover, but as I said, this project will be updated with all new features and stuff that I add to these characters, and you can try plugging in, you know, like a Cinti model or whatever you like here, and just press this button and you should have a new character. So yeah, that is basically it for the Unity tier. That's everything you'll get access to. In the Blender tier, you'll get access to the Unity project as well, but you'll also get access to the 3 Blender files. So this is the Blender file that I've used to basically create the animations and stuff for this character, and it's using this this custom rig that I've made in my videos. And yeah, you get access to all of the different sort of strafe set, all the different animations in here. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I really have to show for the character Blender file. There is the weapons Blender file. So in here, you've got the BFG gun, you've got the assault gun, and the pistol. So yeah, they're the 3 weapons that you get access to, and they've all been sort of textured. Everything, even the character, everything is just sharing like the same material. And the final Blender file that you get access to is what I've called items. So at the moment I've only got 2 items. There is like a jar and there is a table. So you can see these assets in here. So these are the weapons that are coming from Blender, and this is the table and jars. And yeah, all the pipeline is basically set up already, so you can just export directly from Blender into Unity, and yeah, you'll have these exact same assets. Cool. So I think that's basically all I have to say. Yeah, so again, if you do want to support this channel, there's still going to be tons more videos and stuff going forward. But yeah, as I said, all new videos are going to be using this Unity project and these assets, which just allows me to kind of distribute all of this stuff and get it out to you guys. So yeah, that's basically it. So again, yeah, much appreciated if you do want to support me here. If you don't, absolutely no worries. All the videos are still going to be on YouTube, and yeah, there'll be plenty more content coming out there. Cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Ka kite!